Have you ever beaten a liar in court? During my divorce, my ex-husband thought he could outsmart me. He had racked up over $30,000 in secret credit card debt, planning to stick me with half of it. These weren't shared expenses. I'd already paid for most of the things he charged, but he saw an opportunity to shift the burden. When I discovered this, I knew I couldn't let him win. But the biggest struggle was the custody battle. He said he wanted joint custody of our son, but I knew it was a way to dodge child support. I called his bluff. If you want joint custody, I'll just give you primary custody, I said. You'll handle everything. Sick days, school breaks, daycare, homework, drop-offs, all of it. I'll be the weekend parent. The room went silent. Even the judge looked horrified. My ex's lawyer tried to recover, but I held firm. We couldn't co-parent in marriage, I added. Why should I believe we can do it now? A week later, his lawyer sent a letter giving primary custody to me. In court, the final negotiations began. Every question aimed at me became an opportunity to expose his lies. When asked about missing receipts, I explained how he'd taken the desk where I stored them during his surprise move-out. Remember when you emptied the house and left me without even a bed? I said, staring directly at him. He tried to deny it, but by then, it was too late. At one point, when he blatantly lied, I said, "You're really going to lie to me here in front of everyone? Maybe you never cared about me at all." His lawyer pulled him aside, and shortly after, they returned with an offer. He'd lose the assets he was fighting for. And have you ever beaten a